Okay. All right. Welcome, everybody, to the Chennai International Storytelling Festival that's been organized by Dr. Eric Miller. And my name is Radhika, and I will be leading this workshop. And it was scheduled to be storytelling for healing hearts. So, and I'm working through guidance, and we did discuss the entire schedule last year, me and Dr. Eric. Suddenly, something kind of crept up, and I felt that, I need to change a little bit here and there. So, before we start, we have a few ground rules because this is going to be a purely experiential workshop, not much theory. Therefore, we need to be respectful of whatever other people say. And also during sharings, it would be great if we only sit there to witness and to listen. So it would be great if there is no advice giving, no judgments made, and no proponents of any sort of theories. So instead, this is more like a witnessing, listening circle and a holding space. So let's start. Let's start with a little bit of grounding, breathing. And if it's comfortable, I would invite you all to close your eyes and keep your palms on your laps and keep your feet firmly planted to the ground and just listen to my voice. Start breathing through your nose, deep belly breaths. So inhale through your nose, hold your breath for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, and exhale through your mouth. When you do exhale, just feel all the stress, everything coming out. So inhale, hold, 2, 3, exhale. And one more time. Inhale, hold, 2, 3, exhale through your mouth. And while you keep doing this, imagine a thread coming through to your crown chakra and going all the way down through your feet onto the ground. And this thread, this invisible thread, it makes you have roots. Those roots are going deep into Mother Earth. They go deep into Mother Earth, where she holds you and you feel safe. You feel so grounded. And you breathe in and breathe out while the roots start to grow further and further all the way down into Mother Earth. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And imagine a cool blue wind that enters through the top of your head and flows all the way down. Cool blue wind, calming you and comforting you. It flows all the way down into your feet and it goes out. And you are feeling calm now. You're feeling rooted to Mother Earth while she holds you. And now, while you have your eyes closed, rub your palms together. Rub your palms together slowly and a little quicker and quicker, and then rapidly, rapidly, rapidly. Feel the heat between your palms. Feel the heat. And then keep your palm on your face and just gently massage your eyes, your cheek, and then rub your palms again. And now keep them on your heart space. Feel the warmth comforting you. And one more time, we rub our palms together and slowly, when you feel comfortable, you may open your eyes with a big, big smile and extend the palms to everyone here and give your energy to everyone with a big, big smile. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to read out first a poem that I wrote, and then I felt guided to refer to one of my all-time favorite books, The Little Prince, where I found a little excerpt to kind of, comfort me and kind of support what I have written. And then I felt, no, I need something else again. So the third one I'm going to read from is Khalil Gibran's The Prophet. So first, I'm going to share my screen. So if anyone would like to um, just follow what I'm reading, you may do so. So I call the poem Never. To no longer see your face breaks me every day. One day you left me. I didn't get to say all the things I wanted to say. To speak to you of how much I loved you and that you were my whole life. This hurt I feel cuts me like a knife, a festering wound so deep that no salve can heal. This grief, this grief is solid and as heavy as a rock that grows inside of me. But I wear a mask to face the others, a mask to play my part on this stage, to act as if everything is all right. But my heart, it is broken. I do not know how to mend it back again. You will see me smile, the most brilliant smile, but it is only because I must. You do not know how I suffer so, because I am expected to be fine, to be feeling great. Oh, it's just another part of life, they all say. Get over it. Just focus. Get on with it, they say. But those wounds are still so fresh, almost as if they keep renewing and feeding off my pain. Never will I be whole again, because never will I get to hold you again. So, this is my poem, and I found something from Little Prince to, in a way, where I found a bit of comfort. So this is, I'm going to read from the book. It's on page 68, and I've just put the same thing on the screen. The little prince went away to look again at the roses. You are not at all like my rose, he said. As yet, you are nothing. No one has tamed you, and you have tamed no one. You are like my fox when I first knew him. He was only a fox like 100,000 other foxes. But I have made him my friend, and now he is unique in all the world. And the roses were very much embarrassed. You are beautiful, but you are empty, he went on. One could not die for you. To be sure, an ordinary passerby would think that my rose looked just like you, the rose that belongs to me. But in herself alone, she is more important than all the hundreds of you other roses, because it is she that I have watered, because it is she that I have put under the glass globe, because it is she that I have sheltered behind the screen, because it is for her that I have killed the caterpillars, except for the two or three that we saved to become butterflies, because it is she that I have listened to when she grumbled or boasted, or even sometimes when she said nothing, because she is my rose. And he went back to meet the fox. And this is what the fox said. And now, here is my secret. A very simple secret. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. So that's the second. And we go to the third. So I invite you, while you do listen, to listen with your heart, open your heart, and immerse in deep listening with your heart, and see if something resonates with you. So here is something I found to be something like a salve to the broken heart. And this is from Khalil Gibran's The Prophet, and the chapter is on love, page 12. Then said Almitra, speak to us of love. And he raised his head and looked upon the people, and there fell a stillness upon them. And with a great voice he said, when love beckons you, follow him. Though his ways are hard and steep, and when his wings enfold, you yield to him. Though the sword hidden amongst his pinions may wound you, and when he speaks to you, believe in him. Though his voice may shatter your dreams, as the north wind lays waste the garden. For even as love crowns you, so shall he crucify you. Even as he is for your growth, so is he for your pruning. Even as he ascends to your height and caresses your tenderest branches that quiver in the sun, so shall he descend to your roots and shake them in their clinging to the earth. Like sheaves of corn, he gathers you unto himself. He threshes you to make you naked. He sifts you to free you from your husks. He grinds you to whiteness. He kneads you until you are pliant. And then he assigns you to his sacred fire. All these things shall love do unto you, that you may know the secrets of your heart, and in that knowledge become a fragment of life's art. But if in your fear you would seek only love's peace and love's pleasure, then it is better for you that you cover your nakedness and pass out of love's threshing floor into the seasonless world where you shall love, but not all of your loved, and weep, but not all of your tears. Love gives not but itself, and takes not but from itself. Love possesses not, nor would it be possessed, for love is sufficient unto love. When you love, you should not say, God is in my heart, but rather, I am in the heart of God. And think not you can direct the course of love, for love, if it finds you worthy, directs your course. Love has no other desire but to fulfill itself. But if you love and must needs have desires, let them let these be your desires to melt and be like a running brook that sings its melody to the night, to know the pain of too much tenderness, to be wounded by your own understanding of love, and to bleed willingly and joyfully, to wake at dawn with a winged heart and give thanks for another day of loving, to rest at the noon hour and meditate love's ecstasy, to return home at eventide with gratitude, and then to sleep with a prayer for the beloved in your heart and a song of praise upon your lips. And now I invite you to share with us some of your thoughts on how it resonated with your life. But before I do, Dr. Eric, could you stop the recording? Because we will be going into personal work from now